Once upon a time, there was a kind girl named Cinderella. All the animals loved her. Cinderella lived her stepmother and her two stepsisters, Anastasia and Rizella. They were very mean to Cinderella, making her work all day cleaning and cooking. А я игрушку забыла. No, of course. You have no shoes. You have no dress. Besides, you have got a lot at home. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Glad to see you. Let's make a holiday, Your Majesty. Thank you for invitation. Who is that girl? She is very beautiful.
Only you can change your world tomorrow. Let your smile light up the sky. Keep your